Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Yes, no man, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Sun is shining, the weather is feeling good. Give thanks to life, health, and strength. You know, a lion foot, the man of peace. You see me? They are just a forward after the school run. Take with the youth bicycle, him don't really like that, you know? Yeah. I don't really want him ride from school because I got that work, you know what I mean? So, bring back the bicycle home, you see me? So, I ride home and I go and hold a talk. You see me? I say, did a vlog yesterday, very quick cook, speak in mind, and then I just boom boom, big up boom boom, you know, boom boom. Respect him still can play my song, but me have to go in my pocket, you know. But otherwise than that, I have respect for boom boom, man. You see it? Liverpool fan, I know me are Gunners. You know what I say? Yeah man, but boom boom, all the youth depend upon your daddy. I know you can do it. It doesn't have to be a money thing, you see me? Yeah. But I'm song Welcome to Kingston with the name in it, boom boom. And we are going to shoot the video, shoot piece of Uptown Monday. Kingston hosts the test event. Uptown Monday boss Tuesday, boom boom and represent. You come shoot video of them spot there. But the truth is the truth, boom boom. You know you're going to see this, I know it's a lion foot, man of peace. Anyway, we speak truth and rights. You know who want vex. But at the end of the day, you know it's a truth. Not have to be a money thing, man. Boom boom, you don't reach out already. You see me? And you know, when respect in the street different, so don't make the respect deteriorate or wither away, you know. As I said, enough boys and girls, you know, enough youth, man and woman. It depends on the eye still, if you get the eye, the love and the support, especially for your community. You see me? Some of the things that my quick cooker say, I cannot agree, and I don't know if I true or lie, I tell, but some of the things I must say are facts. You need the support of years quick cooking, I think. Years and quick cook. Put in a whole heap of work even more than me, I should say. Remember when I was a year 2018 and I put in the work, me and quick cooker buck up a same media house, you know? The TVJ and the ITV and all of those things. You get me? Me and TVJ I buck up at the same, quick cooker buck up at the same media house. So we know so we are putting the work, but quick cook put in more work than me. I mean, I think maybe longer than me. As I'm saying, a long time, I mean, I think, you know, they were popcorn, them not go on, not doing thing, you know. There were enough pick them up for them not go on. It's like a whole long thing. Someone don't want to see you rise with them. Them just want to rise left you, and you help them with ideas. I even help them with song too. Things that me go through, you know. But yeah, man, on a different level still. Me understand a quick cooker forward from frustration, you see me? And you're doing at the dance and you spend your money. That's one of the reasons why I stop go dance, you know, because well, since you go out 3 times for the week, one time you used to go out every night. You get me? And you buy a liquor, you buy a buckle. I was not a hard spender still, but no one them me buy my buckle. You know, put on a round and them things. And then I dance and your song like nah play. But yes, still you support the man them, the selector them when you keep the dance, you support them. And them not play your song. Even if them say your song not sound good, get a one, you know what I mean? Fans them hear it. So that's one of the reasons why I pull off a dance thing still, you see me? You know, them even not give the microphone for you introduce yourself and make the fans know you. And the same thing in my scheme too. I don't get the support in my scheme, Painland. You see me? If me for call names right now in my scheme, enough selector, you see me? Me bring a laptop and them things there. Mixing board and them sitting there, you see me? I'm still not getting the support, you know. It's like them never want to give the mic. And them want the attention with the crowd and them things there, you see me? Yeah, so I understand where quick cooker forward from. Frustrated, but you know say I did it for years and you have a family them where you want to make proud and can do things for them, you know. Come talk it all the while, you know. My life, me happy for my life. Life are the greatest gift. You see me? You know, worship vanity, but The only thing to change my life right now is music. Financially, music can change my life. I'm show you a chat up girl right now. Pretty girl, excuse me, good morning. You're looking so beautiful. How are you? Alright? I'm a co-worker, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, my boy, you know what I mean? Yeah, I'm a co-worker, you see? Yeah, man, but reality, man. Man, some quick frustrations, sir. You see it? Yes, sir. You know, so boom, boom, do the right thing and help the youth them, man. Play the youth them song. Don't have to be a money thing, you know. And the song good, brother. Give it a listen in ears and play it, man. And it goes to the other selector them too, man. I want to give a shout out to, you know, to Selector Jiggy, you know. Big up Selector Jiggy. Real, me don't know him, but a real brother. Feel him energy. And what him do for me, since when him start connect, without even me asking, man build a mix move ready. So man just link me up on TikTok and say, yo, send me some songs. I mean I know him. Big up Selector Jiggy, big up Universal Vibes Sound. Them things that keep me motivated and keep going because you know sometimes a king that get crowned in I'm town. You know what I mean? Outer port, you know. I know I get my love and support of Africa. I don't get it at Jamaica. I don't get it in my scheme. For them criticize and chastise, you know. And then them laugh up with them when they want you buy two round and one buckle. Remember when Bounty Killer, when they run Bounty Killer them for a short period of time, and Bounty Killer come in a scheme. Come doing research. See, and the dance send call me, I'm going to look at Bounty and Ford man, I say, you see me? Be your people now, like, that's from this I like them start at me serious now, because we don't want to kill them and, you know. Bounty Killer, if you big up Bounty Killer too, real general. They run him and system a real general. That's why I always respect it. You see me? Because how me get for start rolling killer them. At Elephant Party with the Elephant Man Party. Zine. And the journalists them come and kill us say, yo, see the future stars them, they put it on them. You see me? And we are hire them there and hire taller them and K Queens them and do me intro and introduce myself and from that. You see me? You see one Ras come and say, yo, the general say for roll, when we roll go a party. And then they just want it. First I go dance at Tivoli and that's how we start roll. Boom bang 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 connect. I get him in towel when killer get I alliance towel and say a film time now for sure. You see me? Killer end up in a pain land. You know, so I'm researching my when I look and see him, I say, killer, they're easy, you know. I go over there and say, yo, General, oh God. You see me, and the dad make him know, say, Ray, you see me? And killer say, yeah, man, I know, man. But from there, some things seal up, but, you know, I think they get crowned in them towns, there. You see me? Yes, sir. I think I get crowned in them towns, man, but I understand where quick cook are dealing. Frustrated, man. Imagine you come from the same place as Boom Boom, and Boom Boom now play the youth them, and they fuss. We see Flex come talk the same thing to Kibaki and singing sweet them. Remember I'm gonna link quick Boom Boom on him black I'm bar and put on a run and then when him a reason and all a vibe, you know? And then we push the Jordans and give me an Haskell, you see me? Singing sweet them there too and you see me? There all the vibes, right a Boom Boom bar. You see it? So from there, so you don't know. Respect Boom Boom as me say, but the truth are the truth and Boom Boom, you can't go into your feelings, Papa, if you see all this. You can't go into your feelings. The truth are the truth, man. Real youth, if you give real youth the strength, man, and push through real youth, you know? You bite there. push through real youth, because real youth want a chance to better them life and better them family too, man, and reach out like you see me, and help people. I see quick make a talk with him and say, if him rich, you them in the street have rich too. And all that I say too. You see me? That I say too. You see it? Yeah, man. I have some selector brethren and I link them. And money them I talk about, money for dash in the street and them things. And I say, yo, I say a thing set, you know, right now, they say a thing there, you know. Money, you know, you see me? Money, money, money. Everything's just money, money, money. So what if you don't have the money? What if you go do? Me am front and sell, but if you get money for push up me, yo, me I tell a story. Wicked out there, man. So I feel Quick Cook pain, man. Big up Quick Cook. One, you think better I do some good music. I mean, I love an interview in a Quick Cook. Yeah, man. I love an interview on the platform. You see me? Big up yourself, man. You see it, Quick Cook. I want to link, man. You see it? Yeah, man. Big up the whole New York, whole Canada. So me I say, the whole Jamaica to our love, we say, to the youth to stop the crime. You see me? Yeah, man. You see it? Yes, I. Holy man, well, I Selassie. Blessed morning, man. Do give thanks to life, health, and strength. I have a whole heap of music out them people. Release about 3 songs last month. And one another month. You see me? Life is the greatest gift. Big up the fatty them. Shake your booty. You get me? We just need the support, but I go on the social media, you know, because we see selector them is all about money, 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 money. You see me? And so if I don't have the money, it makes sense to ask them. You know? As I say, if I have the money, I will give them, buy my package, media package, and do it. Buy my way through, because I know so I make it back. So Cartel I tell them the place, I'm multi-million rich right now. All of the youth them reach out by the music, so we just need a chance, but forget that chance, and forget the support from friends and families. You see me, I have some family to pass them, no good. Them just want to give, and them not support you. Before them support you, them post other artists too. You see me? Nothing wrong with posting other artists too, you know, but what happened to your family them where you are dependent on? Help them go through the door and support every share, every like, every repost counts. Use up the sound, them all of them things that count. But when I sit back and watch, and them things that frost you out more time, and sometimes I frazzle out. Yeah, man, I really talk, man. You see, sometimes I frazzle out, man. Yeah, but I love same way, and I love my family them same way, but this is just me literally speaking, you know. When they tell them, I know them vex, but I'm not business. Let me speak my mind more than keep it in, you know. I'm being a hypocrite. Yeah, man. I won't not tell me soon, tell them to. That's your thing there. You see me? Like, I'm just push myself and support myself and promote myself. Because nobody not promote me unless me have my money. You see me? But Quick Cook, big up yourself, brother. The money song there, as we Killer say, run with it, run with it. You see me? And the next one, what the skank never dance to, Sauce, run with it. I don't know if you can come to Lion for the interview. See? Big up yourself. Boom, boom. Big up yourself. Do the right thing. Work with the artists, them, man. Work with the artists, them. Don't make it be just about money. You see me? Money. At the root of all evil, money break friendship and ruin lives. That's what I say. We all got dead left money. You see me? Holy man, I Selassie, Jah, Rastafari, the booster gas.
I'll make you happy, for the rest of your life you'll be happy, yeah. If you give me the opportunity.